So yun boy, kamusta? Sabado de Gloria ngayon. Sabado de Gloria ba? Black Saturday. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag. Basta yun. So papunta kami sa gym ngayon. Kasi kahapon sarado yung gym. So schedule namin ng buhat ngayon. Tapos after mag-gym, meron kami pupuntahang birthday celebration. So mamaya ko na lang papakita sa inyo yun. Focus muna tayo sa gym. Tapos sobrang init ngayon boy. Sabi ko sa inyo, sobrang init. Nakakabwisit talaga. Diba yung init eh.
Okay lang yan, kaysa naulan.
Pero yun nga, kaysa naman naulan, okay na rin to. So pag naulan, wala akong magagawa eh. Kasi bumabaha pa. So maligo na lang kayo ng maligo dyan para presko. So yun, kita kita sa gym. Let's go.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So yung boy, tapos na kami magbuhat. Tapos dumaan lang kami saglit sa sa Alpha Mart para bumili ng ng bagoong. Kasi doon sa pupuntahan naming birthday, nagpabili ng bagoong eh. Tingin ko may mangga.
Oo, meron. Sabi.
So yun. So bago kami pumunta doon, dadaan muna kami ng 7-Eleven. Kape muna. Hinahanap ng katawan eh. Tapos dun sa kasabay pala namin mag-gym. Tsaka para sa lahat to pag magpapatugtog kayo sa gym boy, yung panglahatan, hindi yung pang sarili. Hindi naman pangit yung kanta kasi nga OPM support OPM. Okay naman yon. Kaso hindi naaayon dun sa sitwasyon sa lugar. Nasa gym ka tapos, 'di ba, banda-banda. Okay lang sana kung mag-isa ka lang nagbubuhat. Okay lang yan, patugtugin mo yung trip mong kanta. Pero pag may mga kasabay ka, dapat yung panglahatan yung music mo. Kasi hindi lahat gusto yung atake mo ng sounds. Kasi may kanya-kanya tayong may kanya-kanya tayong trip. So ang pinaka-safe doon kung magpapatugtog ka ng maraming tao, yung pang gym talaga. Para lahat makakasabay dun sa tugtog mo boy. Tapos matuto ka magsaoli ng plates. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan eh. Kung kilala kita, idadrop ko yung pangalan mo eh.
Nagsaka,
Hindi ko-
meron pa.
Ano pa
Yung
ba?
ano, huwag kayo magpapatong ng mga gamit.
Tas ito
Dun sa
pala,
equipment
ito pala.
Nang hindi nyo naman ginagamit.
Kunwari, example, nagbubuhat ka sa back. Tapos may mga cellphone kang bitbit. Yung cellphone mo, dun mo lang ilagay sa gilid mo. Kung nasaan ka, hindi yung ipapatong mo sa ibang equipment. Alam mo yon? Kasi nakaka-istorbo ka. Kayo, nakaka-istorbo kayo, nakaka-istorbo ka kung isa ka doon. Siguro tinatamaan ka kung isa ka doon. Siguro tingin ko mga ano yan eh. Yan yung mga nag-gym na hindi naturuan ng basic, yung mga ethics. So sobrang halaga yung pagbaguhan sa gym. Matutukan ng marunong. Kasi doon yung fundamentals eh, yung gym ethics. So yun. Dito na kami sa 7-Eleven, boy. Sama kayo, samahan nyo kami dito sa 7-Eleven para makita nyo rin yung loob. Teka, paatras na ako. Paatras na ako. Hindi na, mahirapan. Medium lang ako. Medium. Ay,
Wala, ito.
wala. Ano sa'yo?
Large ako.
Medium to?
Oo.
Ice cream. So may try. Next time na lang. Tagal. Kasi broad. Ano yan? French vanilla?
French vanilla large.
So yung boy, dito na kami sa sa water camp. Dito to sa may area lang namin, malapit lang. Hindi pa ako makakain, wala pa akong gana. Pagkakatapos lang magbuhat, ganun ako lagi. Parang kailangan may buffer muna ng 30 minutes or 1 hour. Tapos makakaramdam ng gutom. Yan. Gains muna tayo, gains. Tapos ito yung kape. Kape-kape muna. Try ko kung mapapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung area. Kasi ang daming tao eh. Marami akong tatamaan eh. Nakakaya. Ang hirap naman i-blur lahat yun pag nag-edit. So let's see. Malaman kung mapapakita ko sa inyo. Let's go.